Hey guys, how you doing? This is Liberty Graphic Designs, and today we're gonna be embroidering this shirt. So don't go anywhere. So this is what we're gonna be embroidering today. And then we're gonna do the back, and we also got some shirts for, this is gonna be for the girls, and we're also gonna have shirts for the guys. The guys are gonna have a bull and some other stuff in the back, and it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna walk you through, I'm gonna show you how we do this. As you can see, I already did some, but I was like, hey, let me make a video since everybody's always asking. So what we do is, you know, regular hoop, and then I'm gonna use two cutaway backing. So we're gonna put this on this mighty hoop master, and we're making sure that everything is nice and straight. And then we have to select the job that we're gonna be embroidering, so which is that one. And I already got it set up because, as you can see, I was already working on some shirt. Always we gotta make sure that the shirt or the garment didn't fold underneath the hoop and messing up the shirt. So that's what I was doing right there. The front is done on this one, so let me show you close up so you can see it. So with the front's done, now we're gonna do the back. Everything is ready, set up to go. All we gotta do is just press start. So let me bring the camera in closer so you guys can see as everything is gonna be embroidering. So now that these are done, what we gotta do is take these off, and then we have to do the men's. And the men are gonna be this olive green. So let me get them ready. that's the back of the shirts. The front of it is actually going to have the same logo as you see here, but it's only going to be smaller, you know, because you can't fit that big old logo on the front. It's going to be a 6-inch logo on the right hand side, and on the, yeah, that's it, just on the right hand side it's going to be that same logo that you just saw embroidered on the back. And on the sleeves it's going to have what you see in there, San Diego, and then the other one's going to say Rio Verde, because again these are going to Mexico. So again, this is the back of the shirt. That's the first 4. The women's were 7. The men are going to be 10. Okay, so now we're gonna embroider the front of the shirts, and then but we have to do a trace, right? But in some cases, whenever we look at the design, in this case, the design is gonna look like it doesn't fit if you do a trace. Like for example, let me zero out the machine, and we're working off needle number 10, which is this one right here. Okay, so we're gonna do a trace. I'm gonna put a piece of a paper there, and this is just for the video. This is just so you can see what or which needle is the one that I'm actually gonna start the machine with. And I'm gonna do a trace real quick, and you'll see that the needle is gonna go outside the hoop, and sometimes we think that it doesn't fit. So if you notice, see, like right there, it'll hit. Right there, it will hit. It'll hit the hoop right there, and it'll hit the hoop right there. So in most cases, we're gonna think that the design doesn't fit, but this is a little trick that I do. So in every time you get an image digitized, you're gonna get a printout like this, where it tells you the threads that it's going to use, the color thread, how many stitches. Like for example, this one, it's 19,200 stitches. How many changes. It gives you all the information, right? But the one thing that we're focusing on is the actual mock-up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that. So we're going to cut it. Just make sure you go around the design. Let me cut this real quick. So there you go. So now I cut out the design. So what you want to do is you place the design inside the hoop, exactly where you want it. And this is the actual size of the design that's going to be printed. Now, if you notice, the design has a crosshair right there, and it's a center point. So that center point, we're going to place it right on the inside the hoop. Now, if you notice, let me bring the machine out so you can see. See all the room that we have? So now we can see that there's a lot of room. If you have a newer machine, the newest machines, they actually can do a trace around the actual design, which is like a contour tracing. Those are really cool. These older machines don't have that. You have to use what is just a square, and that square is going to lie to you, because if you remember, it looked like it was going to hit. So now I'm going to place that where I want it, and I'm going to bring the active needle to that crosshair. So if I bring the needle down, see that? Now I'm going to be bringing it right to the crosshair. Right there. So the needle, let me remove that little piece of paper. So the needle right now is right at the crosshair. So I know that the needle is not going to hit the hoop. So this is one little trick, very useful. If you guys are new to embroidery, make sure you do this little trick. That way you'll never hit the hoop or you will mess up your machine. And now we can go ahead and start. Okay, so the embroidery is done in the front. So now we're gonna do the sleeves. And the sleeves are actually gonna be vinyl. And that's what we're gonna be doing right now. So just put in the vinyl, and this is gonna be flock vinyl. One sleeve is gonna say San Diego, the other one's gonna say Rio Verde, because these are going to Mexico. And I'm pressing at 325 for 15 seconds. Again, this is gonna be flock, and that's just on the sleeves. Just like that. And this is what the other one looks like. So we can peel this one off. Okay, so there you go. That's what the shirt is gonna look like. This is a finished shirt. It's gonna be vinyl on both of the arms. Logo on the right hand side. Usually we put the name right here, but they did not give me any names. And then the back. You saw all of these being embroidered. And then move this out of the way. And here's the women's. So both of these shirts are going to Mexico. And here's the back of the ladies. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I know it was a very long video. Again, it was a lot of embroidery. I still have to do one more shirt. And this one's going to be special. This is for the guy that's organizing the entire event. And his is going to be very elaborate. It's going to have a bunch of stuff. But for that one, I'm going to have to make another video because this video is already way too long. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, guys, if you want to hit the thumbs down, go ahead. You know, you're not going to hurt my feelings. But if you do like it, hit the thumbs up. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I will greatly appreciate it if you guys subscribe to the channel and ding the bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you in the next one. I will see you later. Bye-bye. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye now.